Who wants to see us transform these shoes? Now let's show you the process of how we are going to transform these shoes. The first step is the deglazing with the alcohol. That is just rubbed all over the surface to deglaze the shoes, to take the new shoe restorer cream dyes so that they bond properly to the shoe. So the deglazing is now done. They are ready to start taking the dye. On this particular shoe, we're going to use the M-Tan to do this. You don't need an awful lot. You don't want like this. Take most of that off, because it's a matter of building the colour slowly. And just build the colour into the shoe like that. And you can see the colour transforming already. Looking very different. So that is the first stage of the shoe done, with the M-Tan into the areas that we need to have coated. And we've left these, we've got a little bit of the colorant dye going to here, the shoe restorer cream dye going to there, but we want that to blend off because this is going to be a much darker area on the toe and the heel area. Those we're going to do with the bracken colour. Before we carry on and do the bracken on the toe and the heel, we just need to buff this shoe with a brush. The reason for that is just setting the shoe restorer cream and giving it a small amount of shine, because we want to build the shine as we go. And you can see the shine now appearing, which is really good, and it might mean that we need to put an additional coat on there as well to get the shine a little bit deeper. But it's looking really nice already, with lots of character and patina in them already. And they've got a really nice depth of shine to them, as you can see in comparison. Looking really nice, with a lot of nice antiquing already. We will go over and antique this area and the side. As we brush the bracken into the toe and the heel, we will drag some over the shoe, just to give a faint shadowing over the M-Tan areas that we've already applied. We just want to get them shined. I can see the characters building in the sort of rough raw edge of the leather as well, which is superb. It's exactly what we want it to do. There we go, beautifully polished, ready for the M-Tan. for the bracken, sorry. Now the M-tan is done, we can then get the bracken on. We don't want an awful lot. So again, get some onto the sponge. Move this one out the way first. And we're just going to wipe in to the toe. And then on the sides, just flick it back like this, because we just want it to streak out as we're going. Just like that, just streak it out. The toe, we just want it to be a little bit darker. You can give it a little bit of stippling if you wanted, because that'll allow you to buff a little bit better. But already, just look at that, how they're turning out. Fantastic. Make sure you get the toe area all the way around the front. Get all into the crease line. So that is the darkening of the toes and the heels, and I think we are quite happy with the way they have come out and are going to transform the shoes and look absolutely stunning. As you can see, what we've been doing as we've been going through, we've been like rubbing it on, but then like stippling. So if you get any little areas where you've got like a little bit of the bracken on an area that you don't want to, just get a tiny amount of alcohol like we've got just there and just wipe that off. Because it's a wax based product as well, you're not going to really be able to apply a tape to it because it's going to cause a problem. But there is nothing wrong with that. If you've done that, then obviously make sure that you put a little bit of the M-tan back on to that particular area, just a small amount on the sponge, just a very, very small amount on the sponge to do it, and just wipe that back in to that heel there to ensure that it's done properly. Anything like this around the edges you can go around with the M-tan to help them. So we had a little bit on this other shoe on the side, and that's looking beautiful. A little bit around the edge here, I think, just to finish it off slightly, and around the edge here. While it's still wet with the darker material, it won't hurt. We had a little bit on that side there which we can use and just put some on the sponge and wipe it into it to help disguise that, because then we can polish this all again in a moment. Probably want to wait a few minutes to polish. Ideally, once you've polished them in the initial stage, you would wait 24 hours and then you could buff them thoroughly and polish as normal. Now let's give them a polish and see how they come out. We're going to concentrate on the toe and the heel first before we start blending onto the main part and body of the shoe. So we first of all need to concentrate on these little areas, and you'll see already as we start to polish, look at the enhancement that that's doing. And again, first of all, very, very lightly across the toe, because what we're trying to do is to set the shoe restorer cream and give it some shine. Then we're going to drag the product over this area once we've got them initially shined up, and they're looking stunning already. So again, polish it up, give it a nice shine. Got that nice sort of antiquing look to it. Polish up. It's almost like a sort of marbling effect on the heel section. The toe is looking really good now. the sort of blending down the side is perfect, as you can see as it comes in, and down here the sort of streaking is beautiful. Now we're going to try to get some antiquing over the shoe by dragging the product over it, and we're going to blend it into it as we're dragging it in, and you can see now we're getting some really nice antiquing. So we've got to bring that down like this and bring it up, so it's almost sort of getting like someone's got a like blusher on their face, because it's bringing that sort of tone over the lighter M-tan, and they're looking stunning. They really do look beautiful. And we've transformed this pair of Barker shoes in absolutely no time to look totally different. So we've got that. Let's try to get this around this almost like paisley sort of design just here. We've got some nice antiquing here and burnishing effect. They're looking beautiful. It just looks like a totally different pair of shoes with this antiquing and marbling on the heel. It just looks stunning. The shine is absolutely outstanding and they look beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Let's get the other one done. So how is that for a pair of transformed Barker shoes in no time whatsoever? Absolutely stunning and transformed. Just look at the antiquing in them. They look absolutely beautiful. With the shadowing over the M-tan, blending in the toe and the heel into the main body of the shoe. Beautiful. That's how you transform shoes so quickly. Just like that.